Gorgia, my name is Mr. O'Sullivan. Ghrá-sa Eochairfhocail Ordlevel. Ruga Nuala was born. Is Sassana in England. Vog Nuala Gehéran. Nuala moved to Ireland. Lauriach Gaeilge Sawalia. Irish was spoken at home. Céige scríofann Nuala in Gaeilge amháin, even though Nuala writes only in Irish. Aistrítar a séithar Ilíochta go Béarla, her poetic work is translated to English. Sna seandáanta Ghrá, in the old love poems, cura an umarca béma chuma. There is too much emphasis placed on appearance. Inonad farsantucht an duine, instead of the personality of the person. I gomparad le, in comparison with. Gnéthe da thúla den dúlra, pretty aspects of nature. Gorilta, regularly. Léiríonn an fille, the poet makes clear or illustrates. Parsantucht a Ghrá, the personality of her lover. Níos tábhachtaí ná, more important than. An chuma atá the appearance which he has. Lena Curtius Malartach, with her varied description, ag éire luachana na seandáanta, satirizing or mocking the old poems. Duine furfa, a perfect person. Ghrá an ille, the love of the poet. Duine le luchtana cosúlin féin, a person with faults like ourselves. Tá codarsnacht le feicáil idir, there is a contrast to be seen between Cuma agus Parsantucht a Ghrá, the appearance and personality of her lover. Ní fear tarringtuch he is not an attractive man. Darlish and Villa, according to the poet. Suila a Ghrá, eyes of her lover. Rógar dá chéile, too close together. Gruig cosú le shrong yelganach, hair like barbed wire. Dámioch ein bhaint ige le, if he had any connection with. Bláithina ála, beautiful flowers. Bheadh sé mar lasú dóibh, he would be as fertilizer for them. Agus slí na fearna, when he is dead. Curtius ábhéalach agus groundver, an exaggerated and funny description. Cé go gánan an fille, even though the poet criticizes. Mullen she a farsantucht, she praises his personality. Fear ma atá ann, this is a good man. A thugann ara agus takeíocht di, that gives care and support to her. Seasan na chúla da, the apples stand or represent. Riachtanis na baha, the necessities of life. Na cuir féinúna da, the grapes for. Hóina an tíl, the luxuries of life. Cé gur dán Ghrá é seo, even though this is a love poem. Farag agus frustrachus, anger and frustration. Le mochu, to be felt. Ile luchana nishan ranta, towards the values of the old poems. So live.